Yo guys, Supercar Collector here, and in today's video we have the Supra. Let's get it open. Yeah guys, let's get this beautiful Supra out the box. Like I do say, keep the boxes in mint condition because you never know when you need to sell them in the future, especially when you're dying for money. But yeah, here it is. I'm outside the box on video as well for the very first time. Oh my god, this just gets better and better. Oh my god, the paintwork on this is just absolutely bloody fantastic. Well, if you haven't seen any better than this, I don't know one. Because I know I've got the white Supra and the red Supra of this, and trust me, this is just topped it. The wheel's just coming off, there you go. Just put that back on, right. So yeah, let's get into detail. So here it is, the Mini GT Toyota GR Supra with the nice spoiler on the back. That is carbon little things there. That just sets it off for me, that. But look at the paintwork, man. It's actually just got sparkles in the paintwork. I don't know if you can see it, but bloody hell, this is gorgeous as fuck. I'm sorry for swearing, guys, but bloody hell, this is bloody amazing. It's nice. This is absolutely gorgeous, especially because it's got red rims and all. It's just absolutely bloody beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, that's the disappointment on the rim there, look. I don't know if you can see it, look. Don't know, but look at that. That's disappointment. I might have to mention that. But that is absolutely beautiful, that. But yeah, let's get some pictures. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, I will show you me putting in the cases now, and I'll show you them. But I don't know what to say, guys. This is absolutely bloody brilliant of a little collection I've got now. But if you want to see more cars, we have got the Lamborghini. We have got more Lamborghinis and everything on in the cases, and I'll show you in a minute. Let's take you to them now, actually. So here we are in the case full of dreams. So here we are. That can go on the channel if you want to see it. Any of these can go on there. Just leave it down in the comments, guys. So yeah, let's get these new additions in. So here we have it, guys. Switched around and with the new additions in. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed that video, please give it a massive thumbs up. And to the Supercar Army, I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.